Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Sometimes MojiRTs are very hard to render, so here's how to make the workflow a little bit faster. So you go to File, Project Settings, General, and you find the renderer suits best for your machine. For example, I am on the MacBook Pro 2017 and I use this one, Mercury Playback Engine software only, and it works pretty fine for some heavy titles, so you click OK here. Also, make sure you've got your playback resolution to quarter and also the post resolution to quarter. And this will make your live previewing files easier.
Hello, thank you for purchasing the complete Toolkit MojiRT for your title styles. So once you extract your folder, you will find this animation preview, which has all the animation styles. As you can see, each of them are labeled with numbers 01, 02. So this corresponds to these numbers 01 and 02. Then you've got the combination examples. As you can see here, some of the styles you can achieve. All the fonts are here for each style. For example, if you want the old glory one, you come here and you download the fonts Limelight and Condiment, and you put them with the style number 1 on the selector. Then you've got your install destination, which you copy this file here into this install destination for Windows and for Mac. Then you've got some extra overlays, which you can overlay over your footage, and your help files. So now, once you've installed, let's open and create one sequence. And now you simply click, drag and drop inside your sequence, and then go to the Edit tab with the MojiRT selected. Here you can see the animation number 1, which is this animation here. So for faster workflow, I advise you come here in the 5-second, for example, and let's edit the title. So we can select the texture of the title. As you can see, I'm changing the number and the texture adjusts like so. Then we can adjust the text. And if we click away, as you can see, it updates. We can adjust the font to whatever font we like, and it updates. Also, we can change the scale of the font, like so, the text position and the scale of the text. Then we can go to the tagline. Again, same principle applies here. We can change the colors, the style of the tagline. And then you can change the color with this color wheel here and edit the text with this easy source text. Again, same options here for the position and the scale. So if you want to scale the text, you can scale it from here. I advise it's better from here. So then you've got the background selector, which you have 40 backgrounds to select, like so. And then you've got this custom color solid, which if you pick number 40, you can adjust the colors you like to a simple solid color. Then you've got the shape selector, which is 3 shapes, like this. Alright, 1, 2, 3. And then you've got some extra elements, which has the text scale. This is the overall scale, as you can see, of the text. The text position, the overall position of the text, and the scale of the shape and the position of the shape here. Also, you've got the grid overlay. If we make this to 100, you see we'll get this effect. I prefer to keep it between 25 and 30. And you've got the film noise effect, which you can have either 0 to have a cleaner like so, or 100, you've got the full effect. Also, from the render options, you've got the alpha channel, which you can see will reveal your transparency right here. So this is how to edit the text. Then you simply go to edit, to render, and you render the format you like. The render might take around 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your edits.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.